Cumudul dah keselam. Kan long kemno serai. Kau gangam lut barok sepok kendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memtip isu na.
Iding buon Pak Cakasya nama. Atrai di pentip nai Kibriyo Syasar. Kibriyo le mentagi thiet taman yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Habalade kepali jong uwan jubab ibrok kejengkeran kidikot ke yeng dorbar hakabede bat ketenat boarding Menteri Wapait ya kani ketenan ubah med baling do ula yeng bat pensyai bat jubab syuai kejengkeran UMLA ke West Shillong ubah poling do bat hakani kejeng jubab jong ulong bu dau shimet yano namar ba ushim ba kejengkeran ke MLA yeng dorbar kerana kebenta kejumento jong kipat ba kejumento shimet jongki Ubah med ba ulong ba kejeng dorbar kadi kejaka kebanyakan nyatai bat jingmut berkumu menteri sarkar ujubu jingmut bah ya borok kejengkeran jong kidikot ke yeng dorbar
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, at the very outset, I would like to thank the honourable mover of this court motion, Arden Miller Baseomoit, honourable member from Nongkrem, and other colleagues of mine who are Paul Lingdo, Dr. Celestine Lingdo, from Miami di Shira, Charles Pongrok, Rupa Marak, Dr. Kasi, Dr. Mukul Sangma, and Mr. Koming Won in Bonn, for having raised and addressed concerns, matters related to the style and functioning of the power department. Sir, I would like to, in fact, I have to reply to the clarification given by the Honourable Member Paul Lingdo that I'm here in this August House as a responsible member and as a responsible minister in charge of power department, entrusted to me by the Honourable Chief Minister. I want to make it clear that this House is the only platform where we can share our grievances, we can share ideas, new thoughts, and from me as a minister, which I believe till today and in the future as well, the government as a whole will always note down all the points mentioned by the members, be it from the Treasury bench or from the opposition, that the points mentioned or highlighted by them are being taken care of. Because they are raising concerns, not of their personal. They are here on behalf of the people of their constituencies. I'm very fortunate, I thank God that at least I've been entrusted with this responsibility. All these years, I've been a member of this House. I've been in the Treasury bench. I've been in the opposition. And I've been there as a Speaker of this House from 2019 to 2023. And a lot of grievances from the people. The same kind of issues are being addressed by them from time to time. So we are duty bound to ensure that we respond to those points raised by all of them. So I want to mention here, I want to say here that nothing personal about anything. I think I don't know. And in fact, I don't want to dwell so much on that, because it will consume a lot of time. When the court motion was moved by the honourable member, it was mentioned categorically to discuss the style and functioning of power department. To whatever extent and to the information that available with me, I would like to share that. But the honorable mover of this cut motion has said that I don't want to talk so much about the other matters of the power department, but he wants to confine to only the billings sections, penalties, pensions, I think 2-3 more points only. But in the process, as per the rules and procedure and conduct of business of this August House, it is allowed by any member of this House to participate in that cut motion. Therefore, other friends as well have done that because they want to express their concerns about the issue of power department.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है.
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.